while loop. So in SQL Server we don't have for loop, so while loop only. So this is control flow statement used to repeatedly execute this set of statement until the specific condition is satisfied. Okay. So first of all, I will take one requirement. It is better to close all documents. I want to display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, how can I display 1 to 10? By using while loop, I can display 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, so to write that logic, first of all, initially, how to start? Here, minimum number is 1 and maximum number is 10. And I want to display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means every time I have to make one increment. Okay, so that is main thing. Okay, so first of all, I am going to declare two variables. Okay, minimum, that is 1, and maximum, that is 10. Okay, so 1 to 10 I am going to display. So minimum value is 1, maximum value is 10. Okay, so next, while loop. In this while loop, I am writing some condition. So like minimum less than or equal to maximum, and begin end. Okay, so here minimum value equal to 1, maximum value equal to 10. So for every iteration, I am going to increment that minimum value. Okay. Now here print I. Print minimum 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Okay. So here one iteration, at first iteration minimum value equal to 1. It will display, it will print. Next one, it will go to increment. Again it will come at the second iteration 2 less than or equal to 10. It will print. Again it will incremented 3, and next 3 less than or equal to 10. Like that up to 10 less than or equal to 10 it will display. After that 10th iteration, minimum value equal to 10. If you increment that, minimum value becomes 11. So go to the while loop condition. So 11 less than or equal to 10. So it is false. Then it will not go to this begin end block. Okay, then it will terminate. Okay, so whether it will terminate or not means you can check. Loop terminates. Okay, after 10 loop is terminated. Then only you can see the display. Okay, otherwise you can't. It will keep on executing. Okay, so this is about while loop. So here you need to know starting point, at what number it has to start that iteration and at what number it has to stop the iteration. Okay, you need to give both two numbers at this while condition. After that, this is mandatory. Set minimum equal to minimum plus 1. That means how many times you want to increment, that is mandatory. If you make the comment, then it will keep on executing same thing. It will not stop until unless you stop that. Okay. Don't forget to give increment value. Okay. And here break it ends the innermost loop instantly and control flow resumes at the next statement after the loop. That means suppose I don't want to display the 5. Okay, so that means I want to display the numbers up to 5. I don't want to display the numbers after 5. Then see, if minimum equal to 5, begin, end, break. See, I don't want to display after 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means if minimum equal to 5, then this break statement terminates the while loop and go to the next statement of the while loop. That is the purpose of break statement. Okay. Next, continue. Restarts a while loop. Any statements after the continue keyword are ignored. Okay. For this, minimum equal to maximum, and I want to take one more variable, value integer equal to 0, and here set at the rate value. Set statement this is used to assign some value. Okay, and minimum I am going to assign minimum value to the value variable. Okay, so after assigning minimum value to the value variable, I am going to increment it. Okay, if value becomes 5, okay, so here my goal is I want to display all the numbers except 5. Okay, in that cases continue statement will be used. Okay, continue, then print value. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Loop is 10 minutes. Okay, so here if you want you can write continue and you can write end. Okay, so this is about while loop. So for better understanding, I will take one more example, like I want to display the even numbers and odd numbers from 1 to 20 in two different variables. Okay, let us take even varchar of 100, better to take 1000, equal to string. Know about this logic, but please observe how to write in SQL Server. Okay, so if it is minimum, if minimum modulus 2 equal to 0, begin, end, and here even, set even equal to @even and plus cast of minimum as varchar and here I am giving some gap. So I am displaying even numbers horizontally and odd numbers horizontally. Okay. Same logic I'm going to copy here in else block and here write odd. Here select even and select odd. See. Okay, observe this here. I didn't use else if block. Why? Because if this result modulus of 2 result is 0, then we call it as even. So no need to write modulus of 2 equal to 1 for odd numbers. Okay, if it is not 0 means it is 1 only. So that's why I didn't specify condition in else block. Okay, so this is the way to write logic. So if you want to display both values in a single cell query, then you can write like this. Okay, so any doubts?